Hi, this is Laura from Feeling Fabulous, and today we are making this chocolate black bean mousse. So I love chocolate, especially dark chocolate, because it's full of antioxidants, as well as beans, which are full of fiber and vitamins. So today we're using black beans, along with the black bean juice, which is called aquafaba. We're using some Himalayan salt, some cacao powder, cinnamon, vanilla extract without sugar added, and tahini. 7 simple ingredients. So what I love about this combination is that it's a wonderful dessert full of fiber and vitamins along with antioxidants. Super simple. We're just adding it to the Vitamix. We're blending it until it's smooth, storing it into the refrigerator overnight, and you have this fantastic black bean mousse that's flavorful and chocolatey and just truly comforting when you're looking for that chocolate, when you have that chocolate craving. It also freezes well for a couple of weeks. That's fine, and then you just defrost it. So I've also added in vegan dark chocolate chips in the past, and it's wonderful also, so you can blend that in as well. But right now I'm just using it without it because I'm trying to lower my sugar content. So I'm going to add in the aquafaba first, and you can use a handheld blender or a food processor instead of the Vitamix. So either way, it's fine. So this is 3/4 of a cup of the aquafaba, and now I'm adding in the black beans. I'm using cacao powder instead of cocoa powder. The cacao powder is full of minerals, antioxidants, it's got flavonoids and phytonutrients. So it's less processed and it's got more minerals than cocoa powder does. So I tend to use the cacao powder over the cocoa powder for that reason. I'm adding in the cacao powder, the tahini. I'm using about 2 pinches of Himalayan salt, which is about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Cinnamon, and the vanilla extract that does not have sugar added to it. I'm going to blend it up. I don't know about you, but I like tasting it. So it's not that sweet. So it's not that as sweet as with the dark chocolate chips. And so I'm going to add in date paste, which will actually sweeten it up a little bit more. This is the finished product, and once it cools in the refrigerator overnight, you can add in blueberries on top or cut up strawberries on top, and it makes a wonderful dessert, and full of antioxidants and fiber with the chocolate taste. And the date syrup just gives it a little bit of sweetness instead of the chocolate chips. So, bon appetit. It was good. Check out the link below to find out the recipe. You can check us out at www.feelingfablmc.com for further events and lectures. Thank you.